Want to be successful? Then learn from the best. Today, I'll share 5 life-changing lessons from the world's most successful people, lessons that can transform your life. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, these names are legendary. But what made them different? It wasn't luck. It was mindset, habits, and discipline. Let's uncover their secrets. 1. Warren Buffett, invest in yourself. Buffett says, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Read, learn, and improve your skills daily. It's the biggest key to success. 2. Steve Jobs, follow your passion. Jobs believed that passion fuels greatness. If you don't love what you do, you'll never give it your best. Find what excites you and go all in. 3. Elon Musk, take risks early. Musk says, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. The earlier you take bold steps, the more time you have to learn, grow, and succeed. 4. Jeff Bezos, focus on the long term. Bezos built Amazon with a long-term vision. Instead of chasing quick money, focus on building something valuable for the future. 5. Oprah Winfrey, never stop learning. Oprah believes knowledge is power. Successful people never stop growing, and neither should you. Success leaves clues. If you follow these lessons, you'll be on the path to greatness. Which lesson inspired you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more success secrets.